Hi, I hope you guys are keeping well and staying fit, and I'm Andy from Kalkine Media. Now you are watching Kalkine Wellness. The ongoing health crisis in the world has led many people to reset their fitness goals. While gyms and outdoor workouts were out of bounds for most people for most of the past year, the crisis reinforced people's determination to care for their health and fitness. According to a survey by London-based marketing research firm OnePoll, many health-conscious individuals are turning to an at-home fitness regime. Lately, in fact, 75% of the respondents believe that it's easier to stay fit at home, according to this survey. It showed that most people are likely to adopt at-home workouts or rely on home gym equipment, which is actually cheaper than regular gym memberships. Now, people are also relying on non-weight fitness regimes due to limited indoor space. The study shows that regardless of different commercial fitness solutions that are available, it is possible to start a workout routine without spending much money. You just need to tune in to a beneficial video and follow their commands. Many people are now using free YouTube videos, even Instagram and mobile apps to keep their bodies in shape. Some exercises don't even require equipment. In fact, bodyweight exercising has become even more popular. Balancing exercises along with therapeutic activities like sleep and meditation can keep a person healthy in general. Now, virtual fitness platforms are the most happening places today. Most body trainers are hosting Zoom video sessions or conducting live sessions via video chats to provide their services to clients and keep in business. People are taking these programs seriously. Significantly though, anyone from anywhere can access them whenever they want. Distance or time is no longer a problem. Now, this OnePoll study further showed that more people are embracing online workout sessions due to ease and access as well as convenience. Moreover, beginners find virtual workouts less intimidating than going into an actual gym filled with people. So now most people continue to work from home generally in most parts of the globe. Finding a work-life balance is critical for their health and well-being. And while the work from home trend is likely to continue in the immediate future, people need to find ways to de-stress themselves, removing that cortisol, that stress hormone. And these days, fitness buffs are looking at these different ways to combine the physical and mental exercise that they need to unwind and let go of that cortisol and excess adrenaline build up in the body. They've enrolled in yoga classes or have made jogging at the neighbourhood park a daily routine. Finally, yoga classes are also available online and they're relatively cheaper too. The yoga fitness segment is likely to be worth US $66 billion by 2027, according to an industry estimate. Fitness trackers, which are available in various shapes and sizes in the markets today, have become a must-have item for many of those addicted to their fitness regime. These gadgets provide vital information about your daily routine, such as the number of steps you took or the calories you burned. Nowadays, many people bank on them to get into a healthy lifestyle that they have been seeking. Video game companies are also making fitness-themed games that can help users get into shape as they participate. These programs are designed in a way that requires the body movements. You can play the game by yourself, of course with friends, or anyone else online. They are popularly called fun workouts. Meanwhile, one must make good use of the surrounding environment and keep themselves motivated amid this crisis. Staying indoors is hard and probably not that healthy, but you must take good care of your health overall and make do with every situation. So if you like this information and want more, please do like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press that bell icon to get the latest notifications from me. Now, for regular updates and more information in general, do log on to our website, kalkinemedia.com. You are watching Andy Lou with Wellness and Kalkine Media.